All right, for next class, you need to watch this video plus one more. They're both in section 2.8 over absolute value equations. Absolute value equations, the definition is a distance between a number and 0. For instance, if I had a number line here, and if I look at if I'm at -2 or 2, when I look here, 2 is only 2 spots away from 0, and -2 is also 2 spots away from 0. So I would say here that the absolute value of -2 is 2, and the absolute value of 2 is also 2. So the absolute value, again, is just a distance. So you never have a negative answer when you're taking the absolute value of something. Now what we're going to do is we are going to be solving absolute equations. So I wrote on the side 3 steps that you're always going to follow when solving absolute value equations. The first step is eliminate everything surrounding the absolute value. So that's what I'm going to do first. The first thing we want to do, like a normal equation, is get rid of any addition or subtraction first. So I'm going to add 6 to both sides of my equation. These will cancel. And I'm left with 5 times the absolute value of 2x equals 30. Now I still have that times 5 in front of it, so I need to get rid of that as well. So now I'm going to divide both sides by 5. So I'm left with the absolute value of 2x equals 6. So now we finished step 1. We eliminated everything surrounding the absolute value. Step 2 says I want to rewrite the problem with a positive answer and a negative answer. Because remember, to get 6, I could have the absolute value of -6 or the absolute value of positive 6. So I'm going to get rid of my absolute value bars and write 2x could equal 6, but I know 2x could also be -6. So we finished step 2, and now step 3 is we're just going to solve both equations, which means I'm going to have 2 answers. So here I'm going to divide and left with x equals 3. Also here I'm going to divide by 2, and I have that x could equal -3. So my answer is that x equals 3 and -3. So after you guys have seen that example, is to try this on your own. So to get full points for your homework and your notes tonight, you have to have these notes in your notebook, plus you have to have at least tried this problem. Good luck!